Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, all of you. So today I am here with another video. In this video I will be discussed 20 most important English pedagogy questions. So this question will be definitely helpful for the exam like CTET and also for other exam, TET exams. Okay. So in the previous videos I have discussed lots of questions, and I have added all these video to the playlist, so you can check out the playlist, that might be helpful for you. So let's start today's video. So today's first question is, a language is option A broad term simply referring to human pattern verbal behavior in general. Option B, a set of specific rules for generating speech. Option C, another word for a dialect. So correct answer option B, a language is a set of specific rules for generating speech. Okay, next question. Learning a language is a option A gradual process, option B last process, option C instant process, option D all inclusive process. So learning a language is a gradual process, so option A correct answer. Okay, next question. The best time to learn a second language is in option A early childhood, option B junior school, option C senior secondary school, option D college. So the best time to learn a second language is in early childhood. Option A correct answer. Next question. Children can best learn a language when they having option A good textbook, option B a proficient language teacher, option C inhibition, option D motivation. So correct answer option D motivation. So children can best learn a language when they having motivation. Next question. Verbal communication means option A sending a message in words including writing, option B informal communication, option C exact limited message the speaker want to convey. Okay, and option D actual words said. So verbal communication means option A sending a message in words including writing. Okay, so correct answer option A. Next question. Metalinguistic awareness is option A the ability to think and talk about language, option B the ability to connect the distinctive uh, sounds in word to letters, option C understanding of the mapping principles between sound and meaning, option D the ability to recognize writing from other visual marks. So metalinguistic awareness is the ability to think and talk about language, so option A correct answer. Next question. Which skill are receptive? So which skill are receptive? Option A listening and speaking, option B listening and reading, option C reading and writing, option D writing and speaking. So which skill are receptive? So option B listening and reading. So correct answer option B. Next question. A good paragraph writing in English involves option A correct punctuation marks, option B ideas presentation and coherence, option C flowery language, option D legible handwriting. So a good paragraph writing in English involves option B ideas presentation and coherence is the correct answer. Okay. Next question. The following statements that are true about languages. Option A all languages use essentially the same number of sounds. Option B all native speaker of a language learn the basic rules of grammar in school. Option C while the different language may use different phonemes, they all essentially share the same syntax. Option D none of the above. So the following statements that are true about language is option D correct answer none of the above. Okay, next question. The first generation learners are those who were option A coming first time to school to seek admission, option B learning Hindi for the first time, option C learning English for the first time, option D the first from their family to come to school. So the first generation learners are those who are the first from their family to come to school. Option D correct answer. Okay. Next question. Filling the gaps is the study of language from a cognitive development law. So option A psycholinguistics, option B sociolinguistics, option C comparative linguistics, option D linguistics. So correct answer option A psycholinguistics. Okay, next question, the following definition best describe language acquisition. Option A, the process by which a society vernacular varies, and option B, the process by which linguistics is applied to sociology. Option C, the process by which the linguistics ability developed in a human. Option D, the process by which the origin of language is developed. So correct answer option C, the process by which the linguistic ability develops in a human. Next question, students recommends the reading of the latest bestseller, saying that it is very interesting. You listen, trying to make out whether the student's observation is sincere or not. This type of listening can be described option A critical, option B comprehension, option C sympathetic, option D active. So correct answer option A critical. So as students recommends the reading of the latest bestseller, saying that it is very interesting. You listen, trying to make out whether the student's observation is sincere or not. These types of listening can be described critical. Okay, next question, a word gets its meaning. Option A in relation to its context, option B from dictionary only, option C spelling, option D from its origin. Okay, a word gets its meaning, option D from its origin. So option D correct answer. Next question, children deserve most of the credit for the language that they acquire. The observation implies that in modern classrooms, so children deserve most of the credit for the language that they acquire. The observation implies that in modern classroom, option A, students pursue their own lines of inquiry. Option B, students need not attend L2 classes. Option C, students may choose L2 on their own. Option D, the teacher establish the task and supports or facilitate learning. So correct answer option A, student pursue their own lines of inquiry. Next question, type of text media are option A audio discs, and tapes. Option B illustration and diagrams. Option C motion pictures. Option D documentaries. So correct answer option D documentaries. Okay, next question, etymology is option A science of pedagogy, option B science of study of language, option D science of meaning of words, option D science of knowing the origin of words. So correct answer option D is science of knowing the origin of words. Okay, next question, student learning a language often lack confidence when speaking due to the language ambiguous pronunciation rules. So one way to overcome this problem is option A, children reading aloud in class, option B using game like activities which inquire, option C strictly verbal interaction in the classroom, option D conducting special speech therapy with a counselor. So correct answer option B using game like activities which inquire. Okay, next question, the contemporary target language classroom is a confluence of varied language and language abilities. The teachers should restructure their practices by exposing students to option A summarized and simplified versions of the learning materials, example stories, grammar, notes, etc. And option B worksheet with a variety of tasks that cover the syllabus, and students give their responses in class under the teacher guidance. And option C appropriate challenges based on the syllabus in a secure and environment, opportunities for all students to explore ideas and gain mastery. Option D adequate self-explanatory notes either prepared by the teacher or from material writers. So correct answer option C appropriate challenges based on the syllabus in a secure environment, opportunities for all students to explore ideas and gain mastery. Okay, next question, last question, For students to gain language skill from textbook learning should option A correlate with assessment and achievement, option B lead to using the textbooks sparingly, option C expose them to more literary reading, option D become more cost effective compared to a technologically supported course. So for student to gain language skill from textbook learning should option A correlate with assessment and achievement. So correct answer option A. Okay, so I hope all of these questions will be very helpful for you if you are new in this channel and finding this question very helpful, then do subscribe to the channel and share these videos with all of your friends. Okay, bye bye.